Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to introduce an updated trading strategy called the Smart Money Concept by Uncle Sam. This strategy is currently being tested on the 1 hour time frame and designed to be flexible enough for various pairs, time frames and exchanges. While for those interested in exclusive strategies, please check out my website unclesamtrading.com, where subscribers can gain access to private fine-tuned strategies that I built for my own use. But this one, the Smart Money Concept by Uncle Sam strategy, is available for everyone to use without any attachment. You'll find the link to the strategy in the description below. Let's dive into the details. So let's start by looking at what the strategy does. This is a trend following strategy inspired by the Smart Money Concept, designed to capture market momentum and potential reversals. I built this to be robust, using inputs for both long and short entries, take profit and stop loss levels that you can customize according to your risk tolerance. Alright, let's get into the settings. The strategy has several inputs options that you can adjust for flexibility and to tailor it to your trading style. Let's go over each of these settings in details. Here we go. Enable long strategy. This is a simple toggle that lets you enable or disable long trades. By default, this is set to true. Long stop loss percentage. This is set to 1% by default. You can adjust this depending on how tight or loose you want your stop losses. For example, at 1%, the stop loss is calculated as 1% of the entry price. Long take profit percentage. This is set to 1.5% by default, allowing you to take profit when the trade gains 1.5 above the entry price. Enable short strategy. Similar to the long strategy, this toggle enables or disables short trades. Short stop loss percentage default is also at 1%, offering similar risk control on the short side. Short take profit percentage set at 1.5% by default, giving us a balanced risk reward ratio on shorts. So these inputs allow for quick adjustments to fit your trading goals. You can adapt these percentages to increase profitability or reduce risk based on market conditions. Now let's go over the core components of the strategy code itself. I took inspiration from a few sources to create this setup, such as the Smart Money Concept SMC by Lux Algo and Smart Money Breakouts by Short Prime. In this version, we've implemented a pyramiding setting of 1, which allows us to only enter one trade at a time per direction. Also, the default quantity type is set to % of equity with the value of 1%, meaning every trade fully utilizes the account balance. The strategy is processed on the close of each bar, which is especially useful for trading on higher time frames like the 1 hour chart we are currently testing. So the strategy uses specific technical indicators to identify potential entries and exits, and here's a breakdown. First, pivot highs and lows. These detect local price highs and lows, which we use as signals for potential reversals. When a new pivot high forms, the strategy sets it as an updated resistance level. For new pivot lows, we set it as updated support. This helps in identifying breakout or breakdown levels. Second, volume-based filter. I've integrated the custom volume filter that calculates green and red volume ratios. This helps determine if bullish or bearish volume is dominating the market. If green volume exceeds 55%, we get signal for potential bullish momentum. Conversely, if red volume is above 55%, bearish pressure is indicated. This filter adds an additional layer of confirmation to our trades. Third, moving average filter. The strategy includes an optional trend filter using moving averages, which can be customized as well. MA sources default is set to the closing price. MA type, you can choose from several types, including SMA, EMA, HMA, VWMA, and with SMA as the default. MA length set at 200 by default, which is common for identifying long-term trends. With these filters and conditions, the strategy aims to capture entries only when the trend direction aligns with our filters, adding precision to our signals. So one of the features I really like about the strategy is the ability to plot stop loss and take profit levels directly on the chart. This gives you a clear visualization of where trades will close in profit or loss. Here's how it works. Long stop loss price calculated based on the percentage input and the average entry price. Long take profit price, similarly, this is calculated with the percentage input for take profit. Short stop loss and take profit prices. These are computed the same way, but inversely for short trades. Each level is plotted on the chart so you can visually track your risk and reward zones. Now let's talk money. Let's talk about the backtesting results and how the strategy performed in our test. As you can see, we achieved net profit of 804 USDT, which is impressive, 80.4% return on our initial capital of 1000 USDT. Total closed trades, 402 trades, which show good frequency without being overactive. Percent profitable of 45.7%, which may seem modest, but with a positive profit factor of 1.27, it means our winners are generally larger than our losses. Average trade 2 USDT or 0.15%, showing a consistent approach to risk management. Maximum drawdown of 167.9 USDT, approximately 10%, which is relatively low, ensuring controlled risk exposure. This is actually encouraging results, especially considering that the strategy is designed to work on any market, time frames, and pairs. I'm currently testing it on the 1 hour time frame, on BTC USDT, on the Bitget spot market. But as mentioned, it can be adapted for other assets and exchanges. One of the best features of the Smart Money Concept strategy by Uncle Sam is its adaptability. The settings we reviewed can be adjusted, which means you can tweak the stop loss, take profit, and MA filters to match any market condition. Plus, the strategy is open for anyone to use. Just check out the description for a link. Thank you all for watching. That's all for today. If you're interested in more of my private strategies, don't forget to visit unclesamtrading.com. Subscribing there really helps support the channel and gives you access to some of my most refined trading tools. But remember, this Smart Money Concept strategy is available for free for anyone to use, and I encourage you to really test it out and customize it to your trading style. Until next time, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.